In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up pre-orders on Shopify. Shopify Pre-order Setup Tutorial. Let's get started inside your Shopify Admin. From the main dashboard, head to the Apps section in the left sidebar. In the App Search Launcher, type EZ Preorder. When the search opens the Shopify App Store, apply the Built for Shopify filter so you're choosing an app that meets Shopify's latest standards. From the results, select EZ Preorder and Back in Stock. Open the listing, skim the overview and pricing so you know what you're installing, then click Install. You'll be prompted to approve permissions. Continue by clicking Install on the authorization screen to grant the app access to your store. After installation, the app opens in your admin. Click the Setup Guide to follow the recommended onboarding. In that guide, choose How to Set Up Pre-orders to walk through the essentials. One required step is enabling the app embed so the pre-order button and messages can appear on your theme. Click Enable App Embed, which opens the theme editor. Toggle the app embed on for your current theme, save, and return to the app. Next, add the items you want to offer as pre-orders. Click Add Products to Pre-order List, then select Add Products. Choose the product or specific variants you plan to accept pre-orders for, and confirm your selection. Now open Edit Pre-order Settings. Here, turn on Start Accepting Pre-orders so the app knows to replace the standard Add to Cart button with your pre-order experience. To fine-tune things further, go to the Pre-orders area within the app. Click Add Product, select the same product, and you'll see the configuration panel. Use the highlighted options to set how the pre-order behaves. This typically includes whether customers can purchase immediately, any order limits, and the messaging that appears near the button. Keep your language clear about timing and availability so customers know exactly what to expect. When you're satisfied, click Save. To confirm everything's stuck, open the product entry again inside the app and review the settings you just applied. You should see your selections preserved and the pre-order status active for the product or variants you chose. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Keep your pre-order message concise and transparent. Align your settings with your fulfillment timeline, and double-check that the embed is enabled on the theme you're actually using. Also, if you're working with variants, verify that you enabled pre-orders only on the specific variants you intend to offer. That's it. Your Shopify store is now set up to accept pre-orders using EZ Preorder and Back in Stock. Save your changes, and you're ready to start